Hi, my name's Abby Alexander. I'm from J.P. McCaskey High School in the School District of Lancaster. And I just wanted to state how important it is, what an educational experience it is to have students come out and participate in the Land Studies Tour. It's very critical that our students and young people become aware of environmental issues and increase their awareness, and what a perfect opportunity it is by participating in the Land Studies Tour. We gained a valuable experience. One of the great qualities of the tour is that the students were able to gain a perspective on how the waterways in Lancaster County affect the Chesapeake Bay, moving from Lititz Run, the Conestoga River, the Susquehanna River down to the bay. So I think it was important for the students that they come out and actually see firsthand and experience the way our waterways work in this area and how what we do impacts the waterways and eventually impacts the bay, hopefully for the positive in the future.